Yeah, man, the Jamaica t-shirt just come in. Jamaica Good Life just come in right now. It's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Get your exclusive Jamaica Good Life shirt at jamaicagoodlife.com. It just come in hot. Adventure, little Ochi. Where did you get the eyeglasses, Lambert? It look like yeah.
Good friend from Canada. Jamaican Good Life.
Yeah, a friend from Canada bring it for you?
We send it to the Mail Express.
Them send you the Mail
Yes.
Express?
Mm-hmm.
But that's a wicked cheers, bro.
Yeah.
It's for driving?
No, that is really
We're gonna
fun.
get that one soon. The guy said most send it ASAP.
Excuse me, I got the laptop.
A big star that. How you guys doing today? You guys ready? You looking to go into the water?
Oh yeah.
Oh shit.
Go to the river.
Babe, throw that towel on your head. Alright.
Well, that's little Ochi right now. Man called Kino. First time at Little Ochi. Part of the swim team. Still make a good line. Little sound boy. Me say play them tune here, you know. I feel no way, you know, Randy's a juggler, you know.
Hey, you know them saying juggler at jail, you know.
I'm on them. I might tune that, you know. Man called, what man named Beanie?
Beanie man,
No,
out of London.
so now a long time me there sent it. Are you run sent it?
I man sent, me have sent a lot, man.
Eh?
Lockdown. Lambert come give me a 1-2 thing and everything was up. You see what I mean? Because me go up Norway side the other day, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, man,
Malcolm.
yeah, me go check Lambert up them side there.
Okay. Fairfield Mountain.
Yeah, Fairfield Mountain.
Yeah.
Nice place and people good. Up a fruit juice and all these things and you know, have a laugh and come out down, you see me?
Oh, you like the program?
But the program up in around Dika right now, you know, London me living and getting up, you know. People are watching from all about, you know. Yeah man, the whole of Europe are watching, man.
Yes, sir.
You don't know what I'm going. People are see you. People take a thing for a different level.
Yeah?
Yeah man, yeah, tell you.
Okay.
Let me link you. I see me see thing, you know. I'm just taking them and get a call, you know.
So you see it gone.
You can't go, you global, man. They are the out in Africa, you know.
Come to Africa.
Yeah, man, you do your thing, man. You're hard, man. You think up. Up. Yeah, man.
See the new general there. Him take it to the world. Yeah, man. So now you have to take us on a tour through Senti and go through. Because you know we go hard, so we want you to hit the pavement
Yeah,
and
man, we hit the pavement,
pick
man.
way up and just boom.
You hit the river down or something. Or hit the bird's lip.
They will have to hit the river. Yeah, man.
Yeah, we hit the river. Down there, son.
Yeah,
We hit the bird's lip.
yeah.
I saw it today now. You're there on the border between Manchester and Central right now.
Border.
Border line, you're there on. It's over there, son. At the fishing village.
Yeah, yeah.
It's over there, son. At the backside, chipping pier. So we are going to come over and show you what I'm going. Yeah, man. Today on New Year's Day, so I pay people. Pay a crowd.
Enough people.
Pay things. Yeah,
People
man.
everywhere.
Yeah, man. You see me and watch them. Blacky places over there, you know?
You're global now, so send some shout out to your fans and your
Yeah, man.
friends and your family.
My son in England there, you know. Real Carlton, you see me? Mrs. Caroline. Yeah, man. The brethren in Europe, some have come down, some have stay up. Yeah, man. I've been there, I tell the world, so I'm there, so don't look at watch it. And everything is up, and everything is good. You see what I mean? Yeah, man. Lambert, they're on the ends, too. Randy on the ends.
Kino.
On the ends. You see, and my grandson on the ends around the sun. Yeah, man. Watch this, man. I'm a Canadian friend. From Toronto there, son.
The Loris.
And then I'm okay, chill.
Yeah, the Amok.
You see what I mean? comfortable.
I just want to fall asleep.
You see what I mean?
You should go sleep your son no more, eh? I say you're going to do this.
Yeah, man. It.
Lambert, so you come here often?
Yeah, how do you man live down here someone? You know, see here. When we back, you know, nobody can tell me more about the one and he not tell me more. The one don't say anything,
Beanie, Lambert, Kino, Dolores, Patrick and Change. We're going to River today. Island Smoothies. Oh, they make some nice fruit juice over there, sir. So there's food and people and love and
soup and goat and all these things.
this is annual.
Yeah, man, I'm here thing. I hear the year thing. You see, they come on now, base of this up. And it's off and now, base of this, this one. Crazy.
So
Base
wait
of
there.
this, see, base of this, this one.
Them just come because we
No,
meet
man,
them.
they must string up, man, and soon start eating out
Remember
turn
when
up.
I see them the other day? Round so.
Yeah, man, big selector out there, so big thing later on. Artist type of artist. Tell a man, oh, you know so, Lambert?
So you never know Lambert before Jamaica Good Life?
No, it's Lambert now. Lambert is the real man.
Yeah.
Mr. Lambert that should be the whole across South Manchester. Before me see. I give him a call and I say that's poetry. He said come a Lincoln and come some. I say pop. With a Lambert then, long time. Chill out, spend the whole day there and come back and send it. Like we never go nowhere. Yeah man. So I just think Jamaica Good Life with me man them still. Straight up. Yeah man.
You see the network I grow.
The network up man, tall. I Portland no want to reach one place in Blue Lagoon, but we think it a little time.
You have connects around there?
Yeah, me have links support them and Teachfield. I Teachfield the base, you know. Obviously, Mr. Hotel, you know.
Okay.
Last time I place, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man. I have a place I put the name Prospect.
Yeah.
I'm a place. Yeah, man. Cheap side, now town or something. I'm
Eh?
a place.
Man, I like how you have so much being here, run the place, you know, you run the world.
Up and round.
So when them see, you know, the whole of them accounts of the woodworks.
Yeah, man. The whole 9 yards, man. Yeah, man. You need to come to Europe now. And then we take you now in Spain. They be bringing you one place in Mallorca, Malaga, Barcelona and them place. Take you out to the Netherlands, in Amsterdam and them place. But you been to Amsterdam? Can you see Amsterdam? You know?
Yeah, just.
I take a flight go Africa, you know.
Yeah.
Remember me tell you, I feel places, you know. I ran it on.
There's a pass through. Right now, I walk with a man called Beanie.
Yeah, man.
Asante. Based on this, Jamaica Good Life at Randy.
Got in my car, it's like a jet. Jumped out of bed, put on my best suit, got in my car, raced like a jet, all the way to you. Not till you go, it's hard in my head to ask you a question.
Watch yourself. Jamaica Good Life. The Beanie there, a little bit up.
Being here, living life.
Yeah, man. Live, what you have, you know?
One life. World traveler.
Global.
How much country you travel to?
Countless. You remember.
You just love traveling?
I'm happy.
Are you happy? So when you see me I move to one little place, you say, see that boy there, Andy?
See, I go to the place one day, you're in a transit, and I say, yo, what's wrong in a transit now? I pass to my yard. Deep Europe, we have Africa.
Yeah.
Straight Johannesburg.
Yeah.
Yeah, Cape Town.
Botswana. Google let you.
Yeah, man, Randy, sit down, so now.
Yeah.
I'll get up on the beach, little watch up or something.
Yeah, yeah. I put on my mind. Get
How about that song?
the shipping place with aluminum. Now people in right now we're in Little Ochi, hanging with the man called Beanie from the UK. What the man say? The man is a world traveler, but you still love Jamaica.
I'm a place, man. I'm a place, Randy.
Your favorite place is not Jamaica?
Out of my yard, out of my place, out of Prospect.
Prospect.
Yeah, out of my place. I love out the sun. But otherwise, I love the whole country.
Yeah, you've been through the whole country?
Yes, man, been to the whole country, man. 14 parishes.
Other countries you travel to, what other favorite country you have?
Well, I love England, London, it's the summertime. Yeah. And,
How do you deal with the cold, man?
well, that's what I do so now, you know, because the winter up.
How long you stay for?
Over there,
Over here?
4 months over here, so.
4 months you stay per a time?
Yeah, man, 8 months up there. And then you're done like that.
So your kind of work allow you to do that?
Yeah, man, outside my work, you know, I property maintenance.
Yeah.
So I say things set up. But we love go Europe because in Europe some place clean like a place named Malaga. The place is clean, nice,
So you
tidy.
just work and travel?
Work and travel and live life. One life you have in around it. You just work, make some funds and fly. High in the sky.
So you have burn up the plane engine and
Right about now the pilot them recognize me.
You say you burn up the whole
Bun fluid.
That is being everybody. The Jamaican that love to travel.
Yeah, man.
Yes, I know, same
Yeah,
thing.
man.
Right now we're there a little watching. It's a whole vibe with the
Oh,
kids.
it's a better this year, you saw a platinum.
It's a base of this year up there, sir. And it's a platinum. So a beer party. So every January 1st.
Yes, man. Every January 1st, you come out some activity buzz till the morning. Yeah, man.
Live to the local people.
Yeah, man. Nobody knows say nothing to you. People love to see you.
With no lifeguard upon duty.
Yeah, man. Tell them about me. See them. Okay. Man, they live alongside the beach.
Okay.
I see them while I go
But
to
for
watch
them,
you.
no lifeguard.
Them barn here, man. Them not picking a fish.
Fish
Them
on
a
there.
fish. Them barn here, so. Yeah, man. If you live your life, man.
One of the greatest places here, but it's still Jamaica. Something will really, you look at the world, something will really impact your spirit, make you grow.
Yeah, man.
Where is that?
In a Britain, you know.
Britain.
Yeah, man. Right in England, man. Yeah, man.
What about it?
It was massive and population did and infrastructure did it. Yeah, it is up. London turn up. Right about now, trust me. Don't want to start a third world country, but it go on. And we soon reach the level where we want to reach, you see me? Yeah, man, but in Spain, I want a great place, you know. Yeah, man. Clean place, proper place.
You still gonna Spain?
No, like, every time I'm like a week maximum. And go to our next country. Yeah, man, I say things like that. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so down a pan and now I do it in the day now. The sunshine.
Let me ask you this one, Beanie. Since you're the mayor, why not make the dealer clean up the beach?
The beach, you know, right now, you know. What happen, you know, the beach are clean sometime, you know. But through yeah, festive season, holiday now. So
Yeah.
when holiday done now, things come out to normal. Things clean up. But right now, people might take check out that people are just life.
Okay.
People just want to live, eat and drink and marry themselves and make money.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what's wrong.
But this is more than how much miles this go down?
About a mile to go down our river now. So we're going to make a full stop and turn back up there.
Yeah.
And go live back in Lambert.
Go back to Lambert. Yeah. Wow. Plenty. No beach no there Manchester.
I hit this, man.
The border.
On the border, I hit this. South Coast.
So you said the border, so part out of Manchester, part out of
St. Elizabeth. For example now, where the port there was the St. Elizabeth.
Yeah.
We're still right with our Manchester
We're in Manchester now?
right now. And between this one and the port, the St. Elizabeth over there, so Port
Okay,
Charles.
okay.
And then the over now, we go Lovers Leap.
Yeah. Right on top of the mountain.
Over the mountain, Lovers Leap. We go Bullstop Junction and places. Up.
Mm-hmm.
But think about this now, and look over here, so now, you see one partner see about shark looking thing. The water itself shape out, but you can't see that they go Lovers Leap.
Okay.
And it gets them out, we are told you, identify the thing in the water at this area. Yeah man, we got some. Down to now we go Port Road, Clarendon.
Oh, okay.
Clarendon starts from over this one.
What is that?
Over this one, Clarendon. Chipmunk Road.
Okay.
St. Catherine. Chipmunk Road.
You know Lindsay too?
Bagwalk Church Road, my place.
Charlie Mount, my girlfriend. Lindsay
Yeah?
Knowledge, my girl.
Alright, so that's nothing more. Condensed chip, that's up.
Yes.
Our Macanel place, our orange place, over there.
Yeah.
Yeah man, and that's up. Big tour of them place there. Yeah man, come and do them place there. Yeah man, Lindsay them in place. Right now I got Lindsay about next month from now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm going to link my go here around there.
Alright, no say no. Don't say no.
This is Jamaica good life. So the people no crime on this, right? No violence, right? Since you come back, you in a gunshot
No. Be a gunshot but
party.
a farmer a protect them farm. I shoot stray dog we are killing goat.
You know, say a YouTube channel I say, don't move around so them don't know, but I try to show them say Jamaica is not what people are telling them
No
abroad.
man, listen me man. You see crime thing, crime are going everywhere. You see, that's why you see me avoid certain places. When me roll by myself. And me roll me up in my eye wide. But the best thing is stay in your yard too. Stay in my yard most of the time. Real.
And you move in the daytime.
Daytime I move man.
You know, try do no road at night time.
No, in night time thing I stay in my bed because my bed big enough.
So night time is for sleep, not for roam road
No man.
like dog.
No.
Stay at your yard.
In my yard man.
This is it, man. I like it. Give thanks.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks for the vibe, you know, sir.
Maybe they're not people that look more about the fish thing. I don't know about that. You can't take it out. You think they're going to
Alright, let's keep the video.
And we feel it playing. So don't you know? Now I'm on my way back. Now I'm just thinking, boy, you're green. Nowadays I'm walking between
Sunshine and thing. Walking about 1 mile. The gathering must be the river.
Don't listen, man. Like that.
We look on the soldier thing. Huh? It's far. Yeah, this is the first time you walk with your baby?
Yeah.
It's a long walk, man. Where you gonna make it back? Them have boat will come back? We needed a boat, Beanie. There's a boat we should have charter.
A boat.
Yeah. A boat we should have charter. Jump. You know? And just come back. We just reach out for you?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, I'm not really think about it still. So I keep walking, me need the exercise.
Yeah, man, I'm proud of this man, big up, man. They are black kid, they can watch it, feeling happy. They the man, they are, you know. I'm proud of this. How them I practice? Over there, sir. Up. Yeah. I really like. Run, yeah, I hate man. Yeah. Also we have a place that so make it pass it them astonished. Like material so the whole of them are vanished. Nah eat no flesh and drink no water. We manage proper English man I speak. A lot in Spanish boom. Rastafari youth on them can't stand it. They can't be a piece of me smoke up mechanic now the street. I think about our roots are a tonic now. Nigga no like see when we are roll clocks. Well brand you can check the in soul. Man a young or reckless. Man beautiful and bold. Can't stop me have to reach so me goal. Step up in the place cause me a reach special guest. Other lick up at the crest. They put on your west.
Member.
Boss man. Yeah, I'm proud of this, you know. I really like. Yeah man, Prospect Act.
Alright, what is
Yeah.
Instagram? Instagram?
Jamaica Good Life. Yeah.
You have an Instagram?
No, not reach to the level there. That's a
Okay,
great
just
thing,
keep
yeah.
it low, bro.
Yeah, alright.
Respect.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
I look a big fan on.
Yeah.
When you go global, you know.
Alright,
Brother, see you.
man.
Alright. Yeah. Cut the clip again.
Yeah.
rope separated? That rope separated?
Means a little water hole.
Yes. Yes.
So maybe with water hole. Yeah. You have to go to the over there, so it's not really, physical adventures. It's like you should do the big event.
But sometimes,
Nice to go
sometimes just to have I would go in here just to experience it as a kind of watering wood. Because when I was growing up here, I didn't get that experience. So, but if I watch the flicks, you know, feel the vibes.
Oh, part of the way, I always think that I always think. What about always travel? Yo.
No more energy, no you do.
We're going to take a taxi if we go back.
Yeah, man, the Jamaica t-shirt just come in. Jamaica Good Life just come in right now. It's hot. Get your exclusive Jamaica Good Life shirt at jamaicagoodlife.com. It just come in hot.